Hey guys, welcome back into the Code with DC YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you one shortcut about how you can align your code in Visual Studio Code in just one click. So, uh, yeah, because it's becomes really important. Let me open the Visual Studio Code here. As you can see here, there are I have opened one Java program which is uh, which is doing something here. Yeah, Figo. It is related to Fibonacci series, which is a small program, nothing much. But when it comes to like bigger programs, it becomes difficult to manage manually. Like we have to give it space here, one space here, or tab. Okay, so it becomes really difficult for us to uh, manage it manually. To for that I have to align this code. We need to just install one extension in VS Code, and that's it, nothing else. Okay, uh, the code editor named as Prettier, okay, which is already installed in my system. As you can see, you need to just click on here and install button like this. So this will help you in every coding and every language you can say. So once this is done, once installation is done, you need to come into your window wherever you want to structure your code. Click on Control A button and click on double click, and you can see here you need to find the format document. As you can see, format document is here, this option will come after installing Prettier extension in your VS Code. So just click on this, and as you can see, the magic happens. Okay, this is the like very good way to structure your code in VS Code. As you can see, it saves your lot of time, uh, and you can use this time to in your productive part. So yeah, that's it for and there is also one shortcut that I wanted to tell you is, if you want to shift this code one tab space, then there is one shortcut. You need to click on tab button. Okay, if you want to remove this blank space, you need to click on again shift tab button, which is kind of amazing shortcut. So that you have to remember. And yeah, that's it for this video guys. We will definitely meet in another video. So make sure you subscribe video if you found this video helpful for you guys. Thank you so much. Bye.